Okay, make sure your Yeti mic is selected in Zoom. Join Zoom. Hi, everyone. We are starting our live session of n8n builds at our San Francisco AI Start Academy location. Today, together with our instructor, Kheir, we will be building out. He will tell us what we will build. Kheir, please present yourself and the class.
Hello, everyone. So yesterday we start to explain some theoretical parts and how we can use or benefit from the AI. And we talked about n8n workflow and the RAG concept and how to integrate the tools inside the n8n and between the voice agent in VAPI, VAPI platform and our workflows and our tools. So today what we will do, we'll dive into that and we will make some workflows that can do our practice. We will practicing what we explained yesterday. So we built some workflows to use the RAG, and also we will build our first Jarvis, we can call it a Jarvis voice agent that we can interact with, and he can provide for us services like sending emails or checking our calendars and do some maybe use another tools using MCP or by using the webhooks terms. So we'll explain some little bit like what is the webhooks, what is the HTTPs request, and also we explain how the JSON is made little bit. Just we will pass on them fastly or briefly. Then we go directly to practice and build some workflows for us. So welcome to anyone again, and let's start. Before we start, there is any question? Yes. Is usually inheritance putting RAG and then retrieval, or to describe like the process. So to get benefits from the RAG system, we will build a workflow. The first workflow we will build, or the first part of it, we'll store with it our data into the vector database. It's Supabase. Supabase we will use it. So this term or process called pooling. So we'll store our data there first in one time, usually one time. But if you need it next time, you can use it again and again and again. And you can also make it automatically. For example, if you have a folder in your Google Drive, you will make this folder specially for RAG system. So you will store your data or files inside that folder, and your n8n workflow will check every time you upload a new folder or new file inside that folder. If he find a new one, so he just grab it and store it in your vector database. But your actual system or your running system always, each time you ask the system, something can be finded or can be get it from the RAG system or from the vector database. So he will use that workflow to access to the vector database, grab the information and process your data. So the first thing we can start with is storing our data to the vector database. Then we can consume this data each time we run our questions, for example, or asking our AI agent. So anyone has access to n8n platform? Like cloud one or our platform?
There are two types. Explain.
Okay. So the n8n can be with n8n itself, the company itself, and can be hosted with them. So this is the cloud version. And n8n is an open source platform, so we can install it in our site, in our services or local hosting, and we can run it inside our servers and use it. So AI Start Academy, we have the server, and we have our instance of n8n. So if you don't have accounts in the cloud version, so we will give you access to this platform right now. So do you have on the website? Okay, on the cloud version. You?
The cloud version as well.
Cloud version, okay?
I have a problem.
Okay. Everyone.
I think I'm in the cloud as well, but yeah, it's in cloud. It's like
Okay, free trial.
This my nickname at n8n cloud. It's cloud, right?
Yeah, correct.
But we find the rest in my computer, you know.
Uh-huh.
That's it, all right?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
So let's go over that. To discover n8n platform, you will see here, let's go to the first page. Maybe you will see that your page is empty, will be empty in the workflows. So here we can see our previous workflows. Each workflow you can create it from this button here. And when you create a new workflow, for example, you will get this window here. This window, in this space, we can build our workflow by clicking here, then search for our components. The first one usually for our test or for our first prototype, we will do the trigger node. We will get a trigger node. What is trigger node is the first element that is responsible to starting our workflow. So this is working here as a button to start our workflow, just that, like the button, start button. And to start it, you can just click on execute workflow. So you will see this node turn it to the green. When the node here turn it to the green, that means is executed, and there is no problems or errors shown here. So then if we want to connect another new nodes, we will click on the plus here, and a little window will open in the right side. And here you can search for your nodes that you are looking for. For example, if we want to send directly a message or an email, so we will looking for example, Gmail. You can use another nodes, but we can use Gmail in this example. We will click here, and we will see a lot of nodes we can use. So there is some of them create draft. If we use this one, this node, if we will use it, we will create a draft message for us inside Google or Gmail. And there is another nodes like send message, send email or message. Or write Gmail, then go to the Gmail, then looking for send a message. When you click on it, there is a new window open for our full screen here, and we will see it's contained three parts. The left part as an input area, and we have the right area called the output. So here we will see our output, and in the middle we will see the configuration of our node. Here you can configure your credential. The credential is like a way to connect our Gmail to our n8n. So it's like it acts as a password username or acts as API keys or other technique of credentials. For Google, it's a little bit tricky, but we will do it anyway because it's really helpful for our n8n workflows. We always use Google accounts, Google services like Google Drive, emails, Google Sheet, for example. So we will create one credential, then we can use it in our workflows. So to create a credential, we will see it in a little bit, not right now, but we will see that briefly. You can click on this one. You can open the window and create new credentials. For me, I see a lot of credentials because I created before. For you, there is no credential. You will create a new credential. And there is this Windows open to you. And you will see here OAuth redirect URL. We will use it inside the Google Console platform. We will show you how to do it later. And we will get from the Google Console, we will get the client ID and the client secret from the Google platform, and we will see how to do it. After that, we will do save. When you do save, you will see succeed or error. If you got succeed, so you got success in connecting n8n with your Google services, and then you can use it. For example, we have here in resources, you will see what you will do, like make a label or draft or create a message or something like that. So we will send a message, we will select here a message. Then the operation can be get or get. It's for retrieve one email content. Get many for retrieve many emails from your email box. And we can see here send or replay. It depends your process what you want. For us, we can select send. Then also two can be the destination. So here you can write it, but we are in n8n automation, or we are in AI automation workflows. So this can be automatic, will be automatic for us. So this, we will get it from the input, for example, and like reference it to another label or to another value, JSON value. This JSON value will be changed each time change it based on what we receive as input. So we just put here the reference of our value, not the value itself. We will see that how to do it. It's very easy. Usually we drag and drop. And the subject also can be automatic, or you can set it by yourself. And the email type will be text or HTML. If you need like structured email with a media or many elements, you will use HTML. But if you want to just send a plain text, you will select here text. Let's try this one. Let me see if that's possible here. Let's try if this still existed or not right now. When we click on this one, our node should be started, but there is a problem here. Problem running workflow. So probably that's because, okay, let's see here. Tests, and there is a problem in authorization. So for the other authorization, that means our credential is not set it up yet. So we can set it up right now or in a little bit. So we will test it in a little bit, okay? Let's discover it, other nodes. We have many nodes here. We can find from the famous node, we can see the set node. The set node can hold some variables. You can give this variable a name and a value like 1, 2, 3, or an email. Let's call it email. Then this down xarena gmail.com. For example, this one. So now when we will execute this one, to move any node, you can just drag and drop, and to remove the link between a node and others, you will just pass the mouse over it, then delete the link. And the link represents the data flow from node to other node. Let's delete this also. And let's link this to this one. So this node will activate this. Then this will, when will be executed successfully, will pass the data from here to the next node. So let's connect it again. And let's see what we get when we execute our workflow. So the data pass from here to here, here just activation, and from here to here, there is one item, we can read it over there. To read what we have here, you can click to this node, then you will see in the output a value, the key and the value. And you can see representation of this data as a schema or as a table for better view, or as a JSON. In n8n, each element is a JSON file. Everything is a JSON file. For example, if we do copy for those three elements, actually those three elements is representing on JSON objects. So copy three nodes. If we copy it and, for example, let's paste it here. And let's do add a new field. JSON value. And we paste it here. So we'll see here, the nodes we passed it here is just a JSON file. So everything in n8n is a JSON file or JSON objects. So you can see here in the output your variable or your key and the value of it. And to simulate the automating or passing the values as a reference to the other node, we can, when we click on this node, for example, and let's remove the 2 from here, and we will make it automatic. How to do it? So you can go here, you can see your previous node. This is a previous node called the edit field or the set, and also the trigger node. What we will need right now is the email. So to make this can be changed automatic from value to other value each run, based on what you have as input. You will drag and drop, click here and drag it and put it in the 2. Now the reference is JSON.email. The JSON is the input here called JSON. Then the .email is mentioning something inside the JSON input here. So when we will run this node right now, this will be replaced because here we don't set it up yet. When we execute this node, we will see the email go through to the output with the actual value. The actual value is this one. If in the next run, for example, we got another input contain a new email. So this will be changed automatically without any interaction from us, without any interaction from our hands. There is many way to add a new elements. One from famous or from necessary elements in n8n, it's called AI agent. You can click on it here, you can find AI agent. And this is the AI agent node. We can see it here. The AI agent node looks a little bit complicated than the others. The others just has an input and output. The AI agent has a tools and can accept a chat model too. Chat model will be a LLM here usually, like from ChatGPT or from Anthropic, from OpenAI, any model from Google, and can accept also a memory. So the AI agent in the next running can remember what you talk about if you ask a new question. If you will not add here a memory and you talk with your AI agent like a message after message, he will totally forget what you are talking about. He treats each question as a new thing for him. So to keep yourself or to keep the AI agent remember what you're talking about in your like in your previous messages, you will add here a memory. So this in some you will
some context, data. What is
the memory?
Memory file? It's like a database, something like that, or some guardrails, rules, or something like that.
Okay, the memory technically can be a database, and can be a file, can be a service provider, and can be just a simple JSON file or a simple structure. Looks like a table, yeah. So in the very low kind of them, like the simplest way is adding some node here called memory. I will show it to you.
And the concept
Simple memory.
behind this is a RAG agent.
No.
A RAG in this.
No, this is not RAG.
Okay.
This is just store what you're talking about before. So if you ask, hi, how are you? For example, I'm Kheir. So this message will be stored. Then the answer of the AI agent, if he say like, hi Kheir, how are you today? So this will be stored also. Then if you next time ask to him, what's my name? He will go to the memory and see from the previous messages and the response for that. If there is no memory, he will like act like a new message. He didn't have this information from before. And we can see the context window length. Here you can set how many elements can save as a memory. For example, here are 5. He can remember 5 messages between you and him. If you if you increase it, we'll remember more. But here it will be very low because usually make the memory with a long values. This will definitely consume your tokens. So it depends your project and your needs. And also the AI agent can accept tools. The tools is any other nodes can do a task, special task, a task to send an email, a task to search in your calendar, a task on calculator, for example, or calling another agent, make a call to or use another agent as a sub agent, can do some HTTP request and or connect to an MCP. And for the AI agent can be set up and can be when we enter to the AI agent. So in the system prompt, here we can define our AI agent and tell him you have some tools you can use it like this. Use this tool if you need calculation. Use this tool if you need to send an email, for example, or to check your calendar. So each tool, you can list it here in the system prompt and telling him exactly what this tool can do and in which case he can use it. Then in the next time when you ask the AI agent what he will do, or ask him to do some specific task, he will know what he has as tools and use them. For example, the simplest one, calculator. So the LLM can do some calculations, but not really accurate for specific numbers. So you can use, for example, a calculator to get a total of something or do some equations. This is the simplest tool here, and we will see how to do it. So for the chat model, you will click on the chat model and search, for example, on OpenAI model, and you will select the credential of your account, and you will select the model itself. The model itself is based on what you want in your project and what you need. For all. For example, we use that one. Let's see if this can be run or not. To deactivate a node temporarily, you can select the node and press to the D or just turn it switch off to here. So this is no longer working. And you can pass it right now. And you can create a new way to flow the data. And here, for example, we can, you are a helpful assistant. When the user is new to calculate we will use the calculator tool only and specify do not calculate any operations by the model itself. And let's try that. And we have another node, so we can talk to our AI agent directly, call it chat node. You can select it here and send a message. So this chat node, you can make it in the front and connect it to our agent. So as a trigger node, you will deactivate this firstly, then you will get the chat node. Trigger on new tab. Let's connect it to our workflow. And when you click to this node, or when you select it, you will see a little window here, so you can talk to your agent directly from chat here. Let's try it. Hi. Can you calculate 5 times 5, for example? And our agent try to solve this operation. And actually he used the tool of calculator. And he gets the information from there. The result of 5 times 5 is 25. And we can see the logs also, how the AI workflow is working. So he start to do to store a value or our chat in the simple memory, and also he start to understand what you asking about it. Then after understanding, he see that he should use the calculator itself. So the calculator, he give it the input of 5 times 5. The calculator do the operation and response with 25 as an output for the calculator, not to our calculator tool, to the AI agent. Then the system store in the memory that values, and the AI agent generate a response and telling us the result is 525. The result of 5 times 5 is 25. So this way we see how we can talk to an AI agent, how can use the memory, and how we can link on a chat model to him, and also how we can create a simple system message for our AI model, and also we see how the AI agent use the tools and give us the result. After that, we can get this result and use it for our next node. Say we need this result to send to the email, for example. So we will use the send email here. Make it working or activated, and make a link here, small link here, and when we will enter to that node, the output here can be dynamic. So in the message, you can make it dynamic by drag and drop the outputs from the AI agent to the message of the content of the send email. And the next time when this node will be executed, so our system will send a message contain this result from the AI agent. There is many tools we can use. From the AI side, you will see some nodes related to the AI providers. And in the flow data, you will see some filters, some condition. Node can do like conditions. If this value, do that. If this value, you can do this else. Or loop over items. Loop over items is like reading a JSON file or object and do an operation for each element each time. The merge can merge two values inside that one. And there is many nodes here we can see and use, like switch one or wait. This can be a delay for your process to wait in another task to finish, then continue. So the first thing we will do right now is creating our first Google account credentials. We will go to the Google, we write here Google console. Then you enter there. Then go to console here. Here you see your old projects.
The same concept of NHN.
Sorry?
The same concept of NHN.
What?
This
Some concept of what?
NHN.
n8n. This is separate. This is separate way to. We need it in n8n to create our credential from Google and link it to n8n. So this is from Google itself and can be for n8n or AI agents or any other. It's not related to n8n directly, but this is a way to access to your Google services. Link it to your account. So you can create a new project. Everyone here with me? No?
But not with the previous flow. Like from here, I can start with you in the previous flow. There is some.
Yeah, just explanation that you don't need to follow everything in the previous ones. It's just an introduction. So let's start from here. So you can name your project here. Let's name it ISO n8n project and create it. So it's not valid for some characters. So our project is created. All of you is following? We will select our project. Then go to API and services. From here, we will enable some of Google services because not all of them is by default is activated. So we will activate it one by one. What we need in our project, we need Google Drive. So just write here in the search Drive, then select it. And you will find it here, Google Drive API. You will just do enable it. Okay, this is the first one. Let's go to the second one is Gmail API and enable. Okay. And the third one will be calendar. And enable it. Okay. Let's continue with our process. Go to the OAuth overview. We were here. Okay. Go to the API and services OAuth console screen. And you will see this window. All done? Done? Okay. All over there? Okay. You can go to the data access, get started, or anyone can get started. So the app information, here you can just name it n8n, or you can name it any name you want for your app. And you will select your email and do next. And for the audience, you will do external. Then next. The contact information repeats your email. Then next, then agree and continue and create. Okay, we created. And you can select here or here. Create a client. You will select web application. Then in authorized redirect URL, here we will go to n8n and grab the URL from there and paste it here. So what you will do, add URL. They are waiting us to copy paste an URL from n8n. So let's go to n8n. Not this one. Okay, this is the n8n. AI start coding. Okay. So you can to access to that, you can click on the Gmail nodes, and in credential, you will click on the new one here, or create a new credential. And then you will see it. OAuth redirect URL. I will repeat it again. So you will go to enter on any Google related node, you will enter to it. Then in credential, you will select here and create a new credential. Then you will find OAuth redirect URL. You will click on it, so this will be copied directly. Click to copy. So it's copied. You will go to your Google credential or Google console and paste it here. Do you find it? The n8n? n8n, okay. Let me access to our example, I will find it here. Start Academy. So this is a Gmail node, or you can get it from here, like Gmail, and get any node from Gmail, like get a message, for example, and so this is our node, for example. You can click it, select this, and create a new credential on the Gmail node. You can't find it under parameters. Then you will find. Yes, if you knew, just click on it, you will see it.
Click on sign in with Google or.
Let me see. You are here, right? You are here. Let me see. To make it easier for me, I think. So you can send me this one. Anyway.
Should I start now?
Yeah, you can try. Let me see the.
This has not this.
You created in anything cloud, so it's your account, yeah. So no one will see it except you. Let's try. Or just you can do it.
For one of the ones with you.
So just what you get, you can try it. Yeah. Yeah, so let me get video. Okay. So everyone can connect to the computer.
Have some questions?
Yep.
So I need, first of all, I need to create my account in Google Form.
Yeah.
Alright, so the as I just connect here. Use account, just connect.
Once you need one.
The second one.
Yeah, they make it easier. It's different than here, but it's okay. Just
This
a
one
minute.
is so yeah, just
Yeah.
connect direct. I did nothing that you.
Because the old version need all of that. We self-hosted it.
Okay.
Yeah. So in new version in the cloud, they make it directly like that. But if you use the hosted one, Probably you need this way.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, because I didn't my account in Google Cloud,
Okay.
so I don't have back to.
Yeah, just connect. You don't need to follow all of that. Yeah, you don't need to follow all of that. For the cloud version, you need, for the cloud version, it's easy to connect. Just click on the connect to Google and you will connect it with your account. But in the self-hosted, if you have a server on your website and you upload anytime inside your server, you need these steps. So we will pass it fastly because you are already did it from your site. So just to remember it. So I need to pass here from n8n our URL and create. And here is our OAuth client created. And I can copy the client ID and copy the client secret. Those two ones we need it when we connect to our self-hosted n8n instance. And also there is another step we will do is to go to the audience. This is the last step. Go to the test user and add user and add your email. I mean, gmail.com. And save. And now everything is set up. You just copy paste your credential and that's it.
I tried to add myself as a user, but it doesn't make sense.
Add a user.
I only.
In Google Console. I'll check it firstly. Here, yeah. Yeah, it's fine. This is just for test. We will build our workflow right now and we will follow it. You can create a new workflow. Just here and create a new workflow. And that's it. You are in the new page.
And Gmail is already not.
Connect. When now put the Gmail, you will find the credential already. Mhm. So everyone in the image? Any question? No question right now. Okay, let's build our first RAG system right now. Okay. The first thing you will do, go to the Supabase, supabase.com, and create. You will sign up, and we will create our new project inside of it.
Did you do your login by your Git?
I do live by
Your Git, because
GitHub.
Yeah.
I think you will find. I did with GitHub, but I think you will find Google account. Did you find it?
my Git. Just
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Will be linked to the same email.
Oh.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah, it's good.
It's okay to create.
Yes, create a new project, or inside the project, create a new one. So the organization, you can create only one, but the project, you can create more. The project, you can create more. Okay. And let's do that. Create a new project. Under the organization is the previous one. And you can give it a name, like n8n rag. Okay. For password, you can generate one or create one. Generate it, and you will save it or save it in your instance or in your systems. Then you will do create a new project. So Supabase creates a project for us. You can regenerate it if you want. Okay. So here is our pipeline that we will create. Contain two parts, the rag pooling and the rag agent. So to simulate that, you will add the first element here is the trigger node. Then you search for Google Drive node, and you will set up it as that. You will select your credentials from previously you did, and for the resource, you will select a file. And the operation will be download because we will get the file inside the drive. We will send it to Supabase database. So here we will select download. And firstly, you will go to your Google Drive, create a folder. You can name it rag. And inside that rag, you will put or upload your file, any PDF that you have. You can generate one from your ChatGPT or any LLMs. And from the file, you can select the file the system is found there. You add that? Everyone add that?
Doesn't update inspector store documents.
You will select the node Supabase vector store. Then inside of it, you will select the insert document. You write Supabase, then you select this one, vector store.
Two options.
You can select any one, but you can set it over there. I will show it to you. For example, add a document to a vector store. And you can change the operation from here and become another node. So what you will do, insert a document. Then before that, let's go to Supabase itself and create our table over there. To create our table there, you can click on the node itself, and you can see in the docs, can click on Docs, then go to Quick Start for setting up your vector store and click on it. This will take you to Supabase website, and you will find here SQL code. You will copy that SQL. You will copy it and come back to Supabase. So n8n rag. You will go to database or SQL editor. And here you will click past. Allow that. So our code is here. This
This n8n into the Supabase, there is some function. This n8n, yeah, is right.
the name of the project I created.
Okay. So,
Maybe you have another name. Yeah,
okay.
no problem. So you go to SQL editor and pass that code. Did you get it, the code? No? Okay. So go to n8n. So click on your node of Supabase. Click on it. You will find here a docs. Do you find it?
No, the entities
Are different. Mhm.
So it asks about a credential, like set of credential.
There is help or any button like that.
Thank you already decided. Sure.
Yeah, it's different. So it's here. We go to quick start processing. We will copy that code and go to yeah. Mhm.
Right, enable our.
In Supabase, yes, you will run it. So we do run. You can select this one or this one. It depends on your preferences for security. So you will get succeed here. Our table is created for and prepared for our RAG table. You can see your RAG table in a table editor or in database. And you can see here our first table called documents and has ID and content and metadata and embedding. The SQL code create for us that one. Now what we will do is link it Supabase to our n8n, like make the credential together. So go to project settings. We will copy the Supabase URL. and paste it on the host. Try the secret key. Easy. And you will get a connection tested successfully. Did you get it? No, it's fine.
It's too fast.
Let's do it fastly.
I don't want to slow down. Yeah, large and.
A moment, please. So you are here? Paste it in n8n. You don't share for Supabase. Here.
This is a
URL is here. Get the secret and paste it. We can go to Supervising. Yes, secret key, copy. Okay. So this one. Save it. Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, you'll help me as well.
Yes, of course.
So I just created some things here. And so have this Supabase, all right? I need to get, what did you get the code here?
The code. Yes.
Okay.
You will click here on docs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they to make it on the right.
So it's here.
Yes, no, there is a link. We will guide you to. Let me see. Sorry, settings. What's the new link? Okay.
Okay, no. In Zoom?
In Zoom, yes.
Okay.
Which one?
This one.
This is the code itself. You can try it. and see if it's work or not.
You should call all the code in school, you know?
Yeah, copy all the code. Or this is the link. Yeah.
Okay. Just okay, and what did you pass in the Supabase?
Yes, in Supabase, you will go to
Okay.
SQL editor. Then you will, yeah, then you here you will paste it and run.
Enable LS,
Don't do it right now.
no necessary.
Then go to project settings. You will do connect. To what? Sorry?
To go slower.
Slower. Okay, okay.
Hero.
Okay, okay. Thank you for mentioning that. Yes, copy the URL and paste it in n8n. Copy that URL.
Where this one,
Okay.
but when I run it, failed to run in SQL.
What you say?
It failed.
It failed.
Failed.
Yeah, when I run
We need another key. You need the key too.
it. What key?
It failed to run it.
Oh, the SQL.
Press.
Probably you need to copy it from the website itself.
I got the on the link.
Okay.
This
Copy it, go to the SQL.
here, all right, this one,
Yeah, copy.
the base.
Select on all. On
Right,
paste it.
it's this, all right, one, this is two option.
Use this one. Then
Okay. Extension vector.
already exists. So you already created.
I need to create this one.
You already created it. So we go
Okay.
to the table.
Okay.
This is the table, and this is your
The
table.
vector.
Yeah, you already did it. Yeah, that's why.
Well,
It's okay.
this first one, so.
Yeah. It's okay.
No, I mean, I already built an A workflow on this and skip on this.
Oh, you skip it.
Sorry. Well, not the rec list. Of things.
Okay, so let's follow. Let's
Yeah.
continue.
So this document is the vector.
Yes,
Okay.
this document is the
Then
vector
this
database.
is like a database.
Correct,
Okay,
correct.
got it.
And your files will be chunked and stored there after the embedding process.
So I can import and add where I want in this database.
Yes, but not manually. You will do it through n8n workflow. Okay. Let's continue.
So can you share your Supabase configuration once again?
Yes.
Just want to see how the node is configured on n8n.
Okay, it's here. It's like here. We'll add that node. Then by clicking on this plus on your node, you will select default data loader.
I don't think I'm there yet. Well,
You are,
just kind of configuring the Supabase, the node itself. Can you just click into that? See what the values you have?
Okay. You will create credential. And you will see host. Host is a URL. You will get it from Supabase website. Okay, let's go to Supabase. Let's go to Supabase. Where is it? See, it's from this side. So this is your project. You will go to project settings, click on it, and click connect. Yeah, and you will find those.
Which one did you pick? Was it the server build APIs?
Supabase secret key in the key and Supabase URL.
What do you need to do here?
Copy Supabase URL from here and paste it in n8n host.
Okay, this link, this first one.
Yes, the first one. Copy it.
Yeah.
Yes, copy it. Go to the n8n and paste it in the host. Okay, then you come back to your Supabase and copy the Supabase secret key. Copy it. Come back to your n8n.
That is the host.
The host is the URL. Is that one.
But it's like which.
In NHM, so.
Which node you mean? Okay.
Cool.
Inside that node, click on it and create credential. When you
want?
yes. It's connected.
Host.
They believe so. So what is the table that you have configured under Supabase setting? Is it the documents table or?
Documents table, yes. You copy the SQL code and paste it in Supabase and run it. You did this process or not yet?
I have.
You have it? Okay, that's great.
The secret key needs to be created.
Yeah, the secret key, you will copy it from Supabase.
The same place
The same.
with the URL, two lines below.
Yes. The third one.
Perfect.
Then you will do save and you will see succeed.
Supabase, I have three lines here. Style packet was the first one, all right, link. The second one is add files. The third one is install agent skills, right?
Oh, go to here, server. Yeah, that one.
Oh my God. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh. Then the first one and the third one, right?
Yeah. So everyone is good here? You are in the scene? Okay, let's go. Try to in operation mode where the after the credential is selected, try to find here in operation mode, not in operation, in the table name, click on it. If you find documents there, that means it's connected and you get it. Did you find it? Okay, great.
Check that is okay. Let's see.
For the batch size, during the process, you can generate a document for your site. So go to ChatGPT and tell him to generate for you on PDF file for your needs, for your any business that you want.
Any file?
Yeah, not any file. You need to think for an idea. So we will build an voice agent. That voice agent can has an access to our Supabase or to our rack system to get some information.
Yeah.
So in that case, maybe you have a business, correct? Your business, maybe you need the prices or term of yeah. Generate PDF file that contain all for my business. And here you can name your business, for example. AI agency. Let's generate it. Okay, I already generated one, so save it. So all of the information about my business as a AI agency is written here in that PDF without dummy data. Pricing, the workflow, tech stack, security, FAQ. It's just as simple. You can generate anyone. So what we will do right now is going to our workflow n8n and continue to create our workflow. For the generating of the, okay.
That should be answering faster.
For the OpenAI account, you should to get the API key. Anyone has like API key from OpenAI? Did you have it or not yet? No? Okay, let's see first if we can get it. Go to API OpenAI website, API platform. You will register there. After you register, you will go to API keys in OpenAI website. So this is the website, platform.openai.com. Then go to API keys and generate your key. Create a new secret key. You can give it a name, RAG key. Keep it default project and create secret key. And we get it here. So you can copy your API key. And done. Then when you add an embedding model, like that, click to the plus on the Supabase Vector Store and search for embedding OpenAI. This is the embedding model that we will use to store our data in vector database. So if you don't have an account yet, you can create a new credential. And for that credential, you will pass your API key. And that's it. And you can rename it here as a the OpenAI or any name. And save. You are in the website. The key, you copy it. Okay.
Supabase Vector 1 and then one other.
Yes, this is a sample to follow it. So just follow me so our goal is to create that one. What I did here is just to showing you. So I will remove it later. So you will have this one. And you will have the Google Drive node before. So that's what we will do. I will show n8n. Create a new workflow. So this is the process. You will add here the first thing, the trigger. Then you will add Drive, Google Drive, node. And select the download file. And you can set up here the download file. Here you will select your Google credential, make it download, and here from file. And for the file, you will select your file that you need to upload. You will see many of them because maybe your Google Drive has a lot of files. So you will select the exact file that you want to upload. .pdf. For example, I do custom arena full business profile rack. So this is my workflow right now. And I will click again for the plus. Then I will add the Supabase node, Supabase Vector Store, that one. You will select it and you can select here, add documents to Vector Store. select it. Select the credential, your credential, you already did it. And here in operation mode, you will insert document. And from which table name you will insert your document is to documents table in Supabase. The batch size, you can set it to 200, let it by default 200. Then you will see here, there is empty areas. You will select for the document, do a plus and add a default data loader. From this plus, click on it and add default data loader. And select for text splitting, you will select custom. When you select custom, the node itself will be changed. If we go back to here, it's changed to this shape. So our goal is to create the same as this. You see?
So the
No, I just repeat to follow me. So this will be removed and will be the same as this. Okay, let me check your workflow. Sleep, please. Okay, so this will be good. We will add the trigger liquid plus. Trigger okay. This put it here, okay. Add this plus. Drive. Okay. Drive, download, okay. Yes, you have the account, it's good. Operation download, that's okay. And in the file, you should upload your file to Google Drive and search on right and select it.
one I
Generated.
so I saved it in the desktop.
In the desktop, upload it to your Google Drive. Then come back to here and find it. Take out the workflow. You get the workflow. That's good, that's perfect. That's perfect. You did it all. I think your system is ready. Your system is ready. Great.
I didn't get them those, but just come on. I just did everything. I think now what I have.
Okay, this is not the correct one. Remove it.
Okay. See. I can create only one, right?
Yeah, you can.
Or I can use the same workspace.
Yes.
Okay.
No, no.
Okay, okay.
You can deactivate, select active. With the D, you can deactivate or activate.
Interesting. Very good.
Okay.
Perfect.
Far from here, from this button on. No.
Okay, yes. Okay.
Okay, and this is for run.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not for run.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
This was other one that
Oh,
was
another one.
created.
You
Just to, I did this by chat AI.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It's easy.
Yeah. What I want to follow is trying to understand the environment.
Okay.
When you like make your hand dirty with this, so you start generating with the AI and just reconfigure the nodes and you will understand it better. You will not continue to create your workflow like this way. It's just to understand the n8n.
Okay.
Then you will use the AI to generate your workflow. Okay, it's much better and faster.
Nice. So what you are doing is reply this.
Yes,
thing.
just reply this and we will understand the process and we go to the second one fastly and that's it. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
So just to understand, what we did was just to create it, database in Supabase
Yes.
to use for
For your-
each workflow that I want to create.
Correct.
All right, so I got it. The first step here is just to create this.
Yeah, you
first
can,
thing, all right?
Let me see, maybe you can add in the workflow. Where is it?
Create the one.
New workflow. Trigger, this one here starts over 4, then here drive. So we'll try download file. Because we will- we will download the file from your Google Drive to the database.
Okay, I created.
Okay,
to
connect
sign
this
up,
one.
all right?
Yes. And this one's the first.
The first one is better.
Okay. And you select everything here.
Okay,
Continue. It's related to your account, so
Okay.
the safety is on.
perfect.
Okay.
You save it, all right?
Yeah.
Connect to it.
Yeah,
It's not open cloud,
correct.
right?
And the file, here you will upload the file inside your drive.
Okay.
Then you select it from here, that's right here.
I did this, but just to right there.
Okay, we will do it in a little.
Okay,
Yeah,
hold on.
continue with this. Where is it?
No, yeah.
Here. Okay, let's skip it, but you will come back to here to select it, right?
Okay.
After you upload.
Okay.
Here, you will select Superbase, Superbase node. You will find Superbase Vector Store, click on it. And you will select add documents to Vector Store.
Okay, so
That's what
this,
you
this,
want,
this
yeah.
doc will.
Converted and stored
Converted and stored,
to Superbase.
okay, converting JSON code, no.
Oh,
Just,
how do I
just
use
the
JSON?
Okay,
But it's
Each kind of data, all right?
Yes.
And this data will be, let's say, move it to this vector in Supabase, all right?
Correct.
In each room, right?
Yeah,
Each room,
each one will get file,
okay,
embedded,
I got
make
it.
it vector data and store it in the vector process. So here, you will select your table from Superbase. It's documents you already created with the SQL.
I got
You already exist a table or vector table.
So I'm
So you select it before. When the embedded batch size is 200, we talked about that yesterday.
it.
And the insert document, like that. And now let's do some configuration. For
Okay,
embedding model, click here and select the OpenAI.
Okay.
For OpenAI, you will
Emphasis agents and cloud.
this is the cost of,
Yeah, that's good. Okay,
this cost is good.
it's not because it's the remaining.
Okay.
Yeah, it's still short of it. And here you can select this one and add default data loader. If you see with the default data loader is around the node, we need another extra node inside of it. So to make it visible, we click on this node, double click. Instead of sample in the text splitting, you will see custom to make your maybe you need to change it and as you want. So now the shape is changed
Okay,
and this is created from.
okay,
Click on this one and select character text splitting. You can select it. You can here make anything.
okay. Perfect.
Not character. Here we will select slow. Here we will select we select the cursor. Here you can select the chunk size from chunk. No, almost really. You just configure, yeah, it's configured, yes. Only this,
That I need to
yes,
do the file upload, all right?
correct. We select that. Upload the file and set up our select. You are good here?
What's the cursive with a character and text?
Okay, I will explain that. In the default data loader is a parameters to let your system or your Supabase vectorizing data for the embedding model to select like character after character or let's say you have a document and the comma is the main text splitter for that. Each comma you will see it, that means a new information will start from the zero. So now, in this case, you will go to character split, and the separator you will do like a comma or any character that you will split. That means each comma, between any comma and comma, will be a new information. So the model here or the workflow here will take this phrase between comma and comma and store it, and go to the next and go to the next. But what we need right now is do something more general by using recursive character text splitter. And here you will select the chunk size. Each like 1,000 character will be collected and stored, collected and stored. It depends how it's it depends the concept of your document, how your document is designed or concepted. So everyone has this model right now, including the embedding model from OpenAI. For the embedding model from OpenAI, you can select the text embedding 3 small, for example. This will be okay for us. Okay. Now I want you to test your workflow after uploading the file to Drive and select it from Google Drive node. You did it?
Should I do execute workflow?
Yes, then execute your workflow. Successful all? Now you can come back to your Supabase and see what you can get over there, what you can see.
Let's just do a double check something.
Okay, you have an error here.
Let's see what it says.
This node is not connected to this. Is it? Now it's connected. Also, this one is not connected to this. So, no.
Oh,
Yeah.
I can
Drag and drop. Okay. Try now. Okay, we have this one. This one. Yeah, and person code. Okay, that's good. Is it? And
let's do double check something. This looks okay. I mean, I copied this code, with the ISU suggest code.
check this. Yeah, fine. Here. Documents. It's okay. This Supabase. We are counting in Supabase.
Learning for yourself. Will you get it successfully? I think the PDF I have was a little too small for. Inside the documents table, let's see any entries, so.
Mine is a single super.
You have some credits here? No?
In the OpenAI.
Mm-hmm. I'll try to send you a API can test it, okay?
Okay.
Did it work for you? There is some output.
Line of plus.
And items here, there is any number? No?
Yeah, yeah, it's good to succeed. Now go to your Supabase to confirm it instead. It's already confirmed, but you can check and double refresh. Good luck. Yes, should be good.
Like I should say everything.
Yeah, it's already. You see, this is all your
So it
data.
broke down,
Correct. Now, when your AI will test with database, will not everything will come back, but probably this and this and this, or those three, it's based on what you want. Of the AI. Yeah, that's great. You did for your first doing for the AI, yeah. We finished here. So for this one, click here. Here, comments. Over there. For the JSON, we'll be changing it to binary. Because our PDF file is a binary file actually. The JSON file is like the texture one. Like JSON object. And that's it. Yeah, we will run it again. Okay, it's working, and you have 6 items in your database. If you go to your database, you will see find the item that. Okay. So here,
Okay,
double click, select instead of JSON, select binary.
what did you first?
What the difference? You have a PDF file.
Okay,
So the PDF file, consider it as a binary file.
Okay,
Like
right.
MP3, MP4,
Okay.
example file, all of that is a binary.
okay,
But the JSON, if you have a JSON format,
okay.
file
Mhm.
contain JSON format.
Okay,
In this case, you will select the JSON.
okay, perfect.
There's that you will select the binary. So the check, all the check was here.
How can I check?
You will select
Can I check that embeddings OpenAI is okay? You can run just this node?
You can, yeah, you can check you can run it. Yeah, sometimes if you don't have a credit, there is a message will show up here and telling you the credit is insufficient. Yeah, or directly from the OpenAI platform.
Just on one doubt, the file that I use before the Supabase vector need to be PDF, but can be other one.
Can be other ones also. Can be text one, can be PDF, can be Word files, can be yeah, many type of files. So what we did right now is the RAG pooling. We store our data into vector database. Now let's consume this data. Let's ask an AI agent about our data, or not about our data. We ask him any general question about our businesses. If he can't answer directly from his knowledge base, like if I ask him what's the phone number of my for the business, he will not give you a phone number if you don't give him what is the phone number in the RAG system, correct? So what we do right now, build this part. Let me show you this part. It's pretty similar to that one, but much easier and much simpler. What you will do, you will add next. Okay. You will add that node here, a chat node. You can create a new workflow. So here. The on chat message. This is the first node, okay? Then you will add a new AI agent and select AI agent. For the AI agent, you will give him the chat model. The chat model will be a general one. like OpenAI for Omni is good. Okay, you set up it. For the tool, you will select the Supabase vector store, not vector store, but you will change it. And the operation mode will be retrieve document. Yeah, retrieve the document.
It's back to store, right?
As tool for AI agent.
Yes.
Then you will add for embedding, you will select embed OpenAI, and the model here you will select exactly the same of the model we used in the pooling process.
I need to have a own credential in building OpenAI.
OpenAI embedding will be the same with OpenAI regular credential.
Okay, because there are two options in here, n8n credits in my own credentials.
For new version, I think maybe it's related to it. But what we do here in the self-hosted is getting the key and use it as a credential. In your case, maybe n8n related directly to your OpenAI account. That's why it's show like that. Yeah.
So the API key here, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Moment, please. N8n. You will add chat model, chat node, AI agent. For the AI agent, add OpenAI chat model. For the chat model can be for Omni, GPT for Omni. Can be other models, no problem. Then in the tools, you will add a tool and select Supabase vector store. Inside the Supabase vector store, you will select retrieve document as a tool for AI agent, because this is a tool for our AI agent. So acts as a tool. For the name, here you will put documents as the same with the table. And also here you will select the table. Documents. For the description, you can use this one. I tell the AI agent what this tool can do for him. So use that tool to retrieve data needed for answering and assist customers. Now the AI agent, when he need to answer any question from the customers, and that answer is not generated directly, he will go to your vector database and retrieve the data using the RAG and answering based on those information, answering the clients. If you finish those, you will select the limit here. The limit you can, 3 is fine. 5 also fine. Because we don't have a big document or something like this. So when the RAG system go to retrieve a data, we'll grab three similars and take it to him and analyze it and select or generate based on those the best answer. And also after that, you will add here embedding, you will find here a plus. You will click on it and select embedding OpenAI model. For that OpenAI model, you will select the same as before, which is the text embedding 3 small. And now you can deactivate the first one by deactivating just the pooling or the trigger node, this trigger node. Yeah, yes, this is related. This, if executed, will execute those nodes. Yeah, it's fine. Yes, it's totally fine. You create this one in a separate page. It's totally fine. Yeah, this process is separated than this process. We will not work together anymore. We use that and we store our data. It's fine, totally fine. Now we will use this one to execute our work, and let's start. For example, let's do open chat. When do open chat and send here a message, the message go to the AI agent, and the AI agent will analyze that, and if he need the RAG agent, he will answer you from the RAG system. So you just ask him any question about your documents or about your business. For me, I will tell him, since I have here a document related to the custom printing, so I will ask him some prices. If I go to the text message and say, what the services do you have for printing? Now our AI agent executed and go, like you see here, go to the AI chat model to analyze our question, then use the Supabase tool and go to the embedding node and grab the information from there and retrieve this data to our AI agent. The AI agent analyze it back and give us an answer. And to see the answer, you can click on the AI agent, and here is the output. And when we see in this output, he give us some so there is a variety of printing services, embroidery, and the price range from 8 to 15, and all of those is included in our file, which the file now is splitted and stored as a vector format in database.
I think my answer is generated, not from my.
Okay, let's see what we have over there. You go to the PDF or no?
No, I don't.
Let me see.
It's like what I said, like what's a combination? It's like what do you want, like which combination?
Okay, so as you see here, your AI agent didn't use the tool.
Yeah.
Let's see that. Mentioning the company's name.
Well, I think even if I didn't, I assume that it would stick to the only documents I gave it about the company.
What you said? What is information?
And it only has one company in the vector. So it's.
Oh, there is some sort of issue. Do it here. Here for the system message. Now you will tell your AI agent what he is and what he will do.
Oh, okay.
So you don't, he didn't has a role right now. So you will put a role for him. Also here and over there. We will go to our AI agent and write a system message for him, like the main prompt. If we go to the main prompt in our AI agent, so you will see this is related directly to the chat input. and go to the system message. You are a helpful assistant. Answer client needs. Use the Supabase tool to retrieve any information related to the business. Okay, let's try this again. Did that work for you? Based on the document, here's the tool. Great. So get it from the Supabase database. Okay. Okay. And what's about there? Not yet? Okay.
Afterwards.
We should
Beforehand.
go sixes for these things.
You know, like.
Okay.
It's okay, my file.
Oh, this is the first one.
Yeah,
Yes.
embedding. I need to choose one, right?
A moment. You store your data or not yet? We did this before. No?
Yeah, we did.
We did this process. Now we are in other process.
The right one, right?
Yeah, we will ask, we'll use the AI agent, Parag AI agent. So the process of pooling is done. We finished with this.
Ah, okay.
Yes. Now you can create a new one.
Alright.
Yes. In this. Add not this. Add chat message. On chat. Okay. Exit. No, exit.
It's a number.
Yeah. Plus. Add AI agent. Correct. Okay, you can exit.
Yeah, I can see.
Yes, to the tool. Superbase.
Or space vector.
Tool. AI agent and there is tool. And chat message model OpenAI regular one.
This one?
Yeah, it's in there. For you can. Okay, you can use it.
It's okay, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's gonna be okay.
Yeah, this is a good feature actually. And for here, click on it. Double click.
Table,
Choose description. No, is it okay? Okay.
Okay. Other one?
Yeah, exit. Delete it. Oh, I need to create. Delete and buttons. Two Superbase. Moments. Open and close. See?
Super.
No.
So, super.
No, just here. Click on this.
Okay.
Okay, select it.
This one, right?
Yeah. Then retrieve documents. Okay. Retrieve
Okay.
description. Use this to
To do right.
to retrieve any data that any information related to the company that the user has.
Information about the financial is very normal.
Okay.
Is okay.
Okay.
So.
Limit, what is it?
You make it? No, how is it? Table name the documents.
Yeah, yes.
Maybe. It must be not this one, but. Yes.
No, what results?
Yeah, it's 3. It's okay. Will be enough for us. Then in embedding, we'll add here. Embed of
Okay.
We'll select. You will use small for use down
Okay,
for pooling.
okay.
You should
Small one,
select.
okay,
You should select the same one as pooling.
okay.
Now you have. Can try it. If not working, you will go and specify that for your AI agent by add an option. Or here. Yes. User message prompting this. And systems. System. Even other system.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mhm. Mhm.
Send a message.
Um,
How's the file you apply? Now we will go to VAPI. To VAPI platform. Subscribe there if you are not subscribed yet. Then we will create a voice agent over there and link it to our rack system. So when we ask VAPI or our voice agent, it will connect to our n8n and retrieve the data and transfer it back to us.
doesn't work. It like the doesn't get the. We need to put the drive here, right?
Huh?
Between this both, we need to put the drive.
No,
No.
the drive needed in the first place. So
Okay.
the rack system need 2 steps.
Mhm.
First step, uploading the information
Okay.
to the database.
Uh-huh.
Then
Ah,
that's it. You forget this one.
mhm.
Now we will use a RAG agent to transfer it based on the system.
Just choose the other one, but this is work.
No, maybe
Maybe
you
not.
didn't do it.
Yeah, I should.
Okay, so this will be delete. Is the delete? Click and here Supervising. And
Vector base, Supabase, vector.
down.
Add log.
Yes. Insert document. I run into the documents.
So,
Let's find this. So here, in the embedding model can be connected to this. And default loader, or we just want to select array and custom. When you select custom, you will see this is show up. This one we use?
no.
Yeah, the cursor. That's it. Delete this one.
Okay.
So,
Don't need it, right?
this is the pooling.
Okay.
I don't know why this is this.
This is okay, you're right.
This one, This file?
Yeah, it's fine.
No?
No, let me show you. There. I don't know where we selected the one, but just. Let me see.
You know that one?
Not this one, I think, let me show. This one, here. No, just
Go to the right.
go to the drive. Please. This drive. So,
That one?
copy. This one.
Oh, gosh. Copy. Okay,
Is that one?
yes.
Okay.
Okay, and we will go there and we do run to secure and we will see if this is working for you. Programming knowledge, Supervising first one, or support type
That's
PNG.
for branch.
Select image PNG. Okay.
Maybe this one will work.
About them, PNG.
Maybe.
Yeah.
No, it's fire. It's an
What is it?
image.
What is it?
It's a image.
Image? No,
Yeah.
we will use a.
Did you say that it doesn't matter, but I can.
No, I mean, for images, you can use it for other cases,
Gotcha.
like
So
watching images.
they should be.
Yeah,
Right.
yes,
I
because
got it now.
you have an image containing data, right?
Yeah.
You will not see this data right now. Should be like PDF. So just do it and build that. So you are in VAPI right now?
Yeah, I think our colleague who was sitting there wanted to learn this part. I don't
That
know.
part?
Yeah.
Where is it? Okay, let's see. As we see yesterday in VAPI, you can create your assistant or voice agent from here. You go to assistants and you will find create assistant button. The previous assistant is here, but we will create a new one. So you will press on create assistant. The first message from the assistant will be something like, hi, hi, or directly, this is custom arena. And I help you today. This is the first message we will hear after running our voice agent. In the prompt system here, you can do the setting or setup for your AI agent. The core concept will be from here. And to do that, you will click on generate and explain what you want for that agent. Basically, it's related to your business. So you can give him some definitions and the role,
and he will start generate your prompt or main prompt for that agent. So you are a store manager, for example, or you are a phone assistant. You're or custom printing services. Role is to assist clients or users and answer the questions. You and you can use the tools to provide any operations need specific details info or calendar management. Yeah, that's it. And submit. Now our prompt is generated. And if you have a fast way to give him like a file directly, you can upload it here. If not, you can use the rack system. So till here, we will accept the change. Then we go to tools. And add a tool. If you have already a tool, you can connect to it. If not, you will create a new tool. In our case, we will create a new tool. You can give it a name and description. Okay, you are in your assistant. There is a page here called tools. Then add a tool. Then you find here create new tool. Okay, when you click on folder, you will see the configuration for the tool that we will add. Here we will connect our VAPI agent to our n8n instance.
No,
Alright, what-
like it says non tool finder, create your tool to get started.
Yes.
But there is no.
Yes, there is not other tools. This is I created before, so that's why they are there.
No.
Yeah, for you is you don't have any tool.
True.
Yeah. Thanks. This is okay?
So I think we need to choose from.
No. Those tool is pre-made from that. And we will create our tool that can connect to.
But it doesn't,
Oh.
it doesn't show where, I did, I went to the systems.
There's the assistant.
Tools.
Tool. Create new tool. New tool found.
Page of this to get started with configuration. Okay, let's do what we.
There's tools here.
Yeah. Tools.
Maybe, so I think that's why I was saying search. Where did you get this information?
It's not here. Generate the first one.
So did it not save it?
I think what's it? You will do publish.
Publish before I move?
Yeah. The same here? So create. Probably we can send the MCP for we can. Yeah. Custom tool. Maybe you can create from custom tool. Maybe you can create.
Changes. The same, what did you put here? So, this is slightly.
Yeah, there's a yeah, it's okay. It's okay. We generate it.
I didn't do the one.
What is not this is great. Yeah, we can say
Custom to.
yeah, you can choose custom tool, or you can do MCP, or you can do API request. And there is audience one, where is it? Okay, custom tool. Okay, this is the name. We give it the description of it too. It will be easier for us. We will say that. The MCP. It will be here. So we will get go to the n8n, create MCP tool, and we will give it. I will show you how.
Just one question here.
Yeah.
I run both, but we are still getting the last file. So just to understand here, I'll show something. So here, that's it. When I run this, the output.
I think it's good.
The output.
It's working.
It's working. Oh, okay, so like this is something.
I see here on the output.
This should be some.
Yeah.
No, this is canasta, but this is the last file, you know. It's not correct. This file isn't named 61 in the drive.
And then let's go.
Yeah, I did this. The other one as well. That's it. Folder.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what the right. Interesting. It's not too nice. Yes. This one perfect, yeah.
This output is related to. This one. Yeah, yeah.
No, this is not.
It is.
I put my folder. It's not new. I'm sure. Yeah, click here in the drive. This one is stupid.
This one.
Yeah.
This image inside the PDF,
This is a PDF.
but the PDF is constituted with a image.
I got you.
This is an image inside the PDF?
Yeah.
No, it should be text.
Okay.
Should be text.
Got
Yeah.
it. Okay, sorry.
No, no problem. You can copy any text.
Yeah, okay.
Download any
Yes.
PDF.
They will ask.
Uh-huh.
Did you do this?
Okay, now let's connect our VAPI voice agent to our MCP in the n8n. So let's go to n8n and try to create our MCP there. In n8n, our instance or our okay, in that case, we will replace that with another node. Call it call from other workflow. Let's looking for it.
Wait, so are we creating the tools on the VAPI first, or are we actually creating the nodes here first?
You can start from any one you want, but when you reach here, when you are creating a tool, create a new tool, and you select create a new tool as an MCP, now you need a server URL. That server URL, we will get it from the n8n. So let's go to n8n and briefly let's start creating a new workflow. So a new page of n8n, create a new workflow. And here in the first node, you will select MCP. MCP server. Okay. In MCP server, we will need this production URL. The URL here is contain our instance and these numbers, so you can change it. So here in the path, you can change it to n8n VAPI agent. So now this is changed. Production URL, you will copy it. Click on it, will be copied. Did it? Okay, there is, yesterday we talked about test URL and the production URL. This production is used when we run our servers 24 hours. So during the production, the test is run only one time when we click run. Yeah. So now let's copy the production URL, copy it, and go to the VAPI. Yes, add a path, edit the path here. Okay. So I add this one, this two. Yeah, I will click on it and I change the path to any custom name. Okay. Okay, then click on production URL. Click on it, will be copied. Okay. Now go to your VAPI. On the server URL, do paste. And in MCP settings, you can use server send events. Okay, great. Now in the description, you can write use a tool to do any external process or requirements like get internal business information or manage the calendar or sending emails. Okay, that's it. If we have another tools, we can use it. Can describe it here and save. Let's see what they do. The tool here could not reach the MCP server. Okay, when I click here to save, the tool start to reach our server, MCP server, but it didn't reach it because our MCP server is not run it yet. So what we will do, make it in production mode. So let's go to our n8n instance. You can add tool here. Let's start with calculator, for example. Calculator, for example. Okay, it's here. The tool is here. Now, what you will do publish, and give it a version name. You can give it any name for version, for example, v0.01, and the first test. That's it. You can. It's not necessary, but you can do it. It will be helpful for you next time. Got it. Now our workflow is published. You can see in executions, if any tool call our MCP tool will show up here. So let's go back to our VAPI and do reset, and let's do save. Okay, it's already here. Already detected. Did you find it? Okay, and what the tools available over there? Calculator. Now, what that means? That means any tools, we will add it here. Yeah, any tools, you can move from execution to edit. So any tools, we will add it here to this MCP server, will be accessible to our VAPI agent. Correct? Okay. So add this one. Click on plus and call n8n workflow. Okay.
So we'll be. Save. And call the.
Should be like text file.
Okay, cool.
You can follow us then. We'll
Okay.
explain to you later. Is it good for you?
Yes, I call and workflow too.
Yes. How is everything? Okay, I'll explain it. So before we created our AI RAG agent, correct? This RAG agent, we will store it in a separate workflow. What we will do, we will be accessible from MCP server. We will add here call n8n workflow tool, and we will select our workflow we created before, the RAG agent. But before to do that, we need to change the first node, the trigger node, change it from the message to a call tool or execute workflow. Let's go to our workflow, previous one, and go here. You can deactivate this one and add plus and
No.
yeah. Yeah.
I closing that.
So this was activated. You will deactivate it using this one or remove it, but I prefer to deactivate it right now. Also make sure this, if you don't have this one, it's okay. Okay. Okay, great. Now we need an access to this AI agent. So the access will be another node called, you will find it in add another trigger node, and you will find it here when executed by another workflow. You will find it here again. You will click on plus, add another trigger, and when executed by another workflow. Okay, let's go back. And here is it. So let's link this to our AI agent. I can repeat for you. I can repeat for you what we do in a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
So what we do actually, we go to VAPI, create an AI assistance, and create MCP tool for him. Then we go to n8n, create MCP server, just add a node. And for that node, we add another subnode. The subnodes will be one of them, the actual workflow we created. So this one will act as a subnode for our MCP server, correct? So when you get this here, you can click on it, and when executed by another workflow, define using field below, accept all data. Input data, accept, use all uncommon data from the parent workflow. Here, yeah, okay. You can select this one for right now, but it's better to define using fields below and name the field. But now let's use this accept all data from the input. Okay. You will rename your workflow, give it a name like RAG agent or something, any name, then save it or publish it. Yes, please. So what we did, we changed this name here. We have this one here, and we select the third one, accept all data, and we replace this one with this one. Okay, and let's go back to our MCP page workflow. We have our MCP server here, and this MCP has, you can see what we do. Our MCP has the production URL. We copy it and paste it in VAPI and everything, and we provide tools for this MCP server as a calculator, and we will provide the tool of our workflow. So what we did, we click on the plus and go to call n8n workflow tool. We select it. It's here. And from this one, call n8n workflow tool, we select the workflow name of the RAG agent. Correct? Okay, so I did it here. It's already here. And for the description, I give him a description for that tool. Use that tool for any internal information needed for our business. And okay. Okay for you, for everyone? Rick? Okay. Now let's go back to VAPI. And we can see here available tool. We have the calculator only from previous one. Let's do actualizing and let's see what we can get. Nothing. So we need to publish our work again. So go to server here and do publish. Give it any name. Say okay. Now our work is published. Let's go to VAPI. Okay, it's actualized directly. Now, our tool for our agent has an access to the n8n and use other tools like calculator or rag pooling agent. And let's go to come back to here. Let's try it first, then come back to configure some configurations here. VAPI. Let's save this one and come back to the assistant. Your new assistant, this one. This can I help you today? Generate. For me, I didn't save it. That's why yeah. Okay. Generated. Accept change and publish and talk and not miss to do publish here. This, let's go to the VAPI.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Can I know what the prices of the embroidery?
Absolutely, I can help with that. Could you let me know what type of item you're interested in for embroidery, like shirts, hats, jackets, or something else? And do you already have a design, or would you need help creating one?
Can I have your phone number?
I'm sorry, but I can't provide a direct phone number. However, I'm here to help you with any questions or requests you have about embroidery or our printing services. If you'd like, I can also guide you on how to reach our team by phone or email. Would you like that information?
Can I have what do you have as services based on, you can use the tool for that.
Of course. Let me give you a quick overview of the services we offer. We provide custom printing and embroidery on a wide range of products, such as t-shirts, hoodies, hats, jackets, bags, and more. You can choose from screen printing, digital printing, and embroidery, depending on your design and the type of item.
What's about
also-
the prices range?
Sure, I can help with that. Our prices can vary depending on the type of item, the quantity you order, and the printing.
Okay, maybe the tool is not set here because he didn't call any tool. So I will add the tool and select the MCP tool. It's called MCP, right? This is the latest one we did. Yes, this is the MCP tool. So go to the assistant, tools, add tool, MCP tool select, and that's it. And publish. Publish. Assistant. Here I can keep all your answers less than 2 sentences. Okay. Publish. Did this work for you? You can test it.
So when we speak to the assistant, it's supposed to give us answers from the document reports,
Yes,
even though
this is the goal.
AI is.
Yeah, initially it should be like the same concept, but we'll try if the information go from VAPI to n8n and come back from n8n to VAPI. Yes, I see that. Yes, I see that.
Based on what information is in the document that I uploaded.
Yes, but it's better if you change the prompt. Yeah.
To match the one.
Yes, correct. Hello.
Who is the current CEO?
Current CEO. Oh, yes.
Probably we don't need to upload the document because it's already
In the n8n, yeah, in the MCP server. Okay.
It looks prompt from execution workflow to AI agent. Got no input. So executed the VAPI Carlo tool? Yeah, so this is the where it came from the VAPI, right? The query. Yes, this is the input for AI agent, and then the AI agent, what you say? Expected to find the prompt, not input here. So here, the AI agent need input file. And the input actually is here. This is the query. And can I go because this is related to lab. So it's related to the previous chat. Yeah. So we now what we do, we place this. Let's try this one. We drag it. Yeah. I'll try to drag and drop. If not, it's in the execution mode. Yeah, in execution. So go to the editor and do.
Just looking at this flow, before I test it, because I haven't tested it yet.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go inside. The associate prompt user or user message is related to previous chat input. This should be the input from the what will be here. So we will replace this one. To replace it, what will we do? Actually, you are in the service, okay? Select define float. Then the prompt we drag and drop the message you got from the VAPI. The message you press VAPI will show up here, and we drag and drop here.
I haven't done it.
Yeah, you did it. Try to press something to use the tool. Try.
On the VAPI?
Yeah, on VAPI.
So I call.
Yeah.
Or you mean the
Yes.
message? Let's check the tools
Okay.
I connected.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, can you tell me about your services?
Select define below. Yes, here. Because there is nothing come to here. So execute the time.
Capturing what you're saying.
Execute second one. Then drag it in. Execute the second one from the execution.
Because they're capturing the conversation.
Oh, okay.
So okay, what do you need in here to advance?
What do you have as a services? I use it too. Is it? Okay. Yeah, those is missing. We need to access. If we go to access, okay. So we can change the time. No, so we-
Yeah, so it requires further.
And I know what do you have as services, you know, too. No, I get the information from, no, not exactly. So, I want to,
Before he said we couldn't, you know, we did exactly the AI supports and stuff.
it's again, use the tool.
Yeah.
Maybe this, you get this from prompt side. Yeah. So can you use the tool and give me the, what do you have as our services? Yes, not covered with question.
It's not.
Try to find the campus web AI agent. Is not, okay, it should be replaced.
Who is the current CEO?
Can you please list me your services based on the tool? Can you tell me what you have as services? Use the tool, please. Well, this is not. This is.
So it's giving it up.
Let's see. This is. The question. This means the services that you have and you use the tool for that. Okay, this means the services that you have and use the tool. Let me fix all of that. No, for tomorrow. Yeah. Which time you have, you will study for tomorrow? Which time? Yeah. It's 5?
Yeah, it's everything.
Ah, okay. And which course?
This-
Which course? Yeah. Yeah, this one is also AI automation. For tomorrow, you have a program for that or how it works? Ah, okay. Still not defined yet. Okay, okay. Got it. We can use, instead of that, we can use the webhook. By click here and click webhook. We will use this and this. This in the start and this will be in the finish here to get the answer from the AI agent and send it back to our VAPI. So the first thing we will do the webhook and link it in the first. And inside the webhook, you will find production URL and test URL. The method will be post. And to the respond, we will use using the respond to webhook node. And for this node, we have to create it here or add it here. Webhook, respond to webhook. First incoming data, and that's it. So now, when we ask VAPI, we will change the MCP tool in VAPI. So we will use the webhook tool. The webhook tool, VAPI will call this one. The information pass from here to the AI agent.
So the call,
Define below. Sorry.
the call that you do input
Uh,
will pass for this first webhook, alright?
yes.
Okay,
The call tool in VAPI will send information to the webhook,
okay.
incoming data. The webhook will send the information to pass the information to the AI agent. AI agent do the job and process the data and send it back to with a webhook, the same one. So this node is related to this. This we set it here using for the respond, using respond to webhook node. We'll select it like this and that's it. For production URL, you will copy it. And for this, let's check it.
Where do you miss?
URL, you will, okay, let's first test with the test URL. Copy this one, okay? And let's try to send our data. Execute workflow. And let's wait and go to VAPI. And I will create a new tool in VAPI. Here, assistants and tools. Add a tool. Create a new tool. And for creating a new tool, you will go to the server URL. You will paste it here, the URL. No authentication. And the details. Info needed. So it successfully. We come back to the assistant tool. Add a tool. And that one. Let's remove them. And publish. Publish. And talk.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Can I know what the services do you have in the business?
Of course, I'd be happy to explain our services. Are you interested in printing for business, personal use, or something else?
Personal use, and can you use the tool, please, to answer for that?
Sorry about that. It seems I couldn't retrieve the details just now. Would you like me to try again, or would you like a general overview of our personal printing services?
You can call the tool again, please.
I apologize. Thanks for your patience. While I work on retrieving the details, would you like a quick summary of our most popular personal printing options, such as custom t-shirts, photo books, or invitations?
parameters.
Earlier,
Yeah.
like, can DBT help me, like,
Can guide you a little bit, yes, can guide you. Yes, and also I will follow back to you and everyone for you here to construct the whole workflow and make it works so you can start to modify it as your need. Mhm.
Okay, what was the main issue?
The main issue, we're trying to send the data from the VAPI to the tool. So the data to the tool right now, it's need to be included in the key
Yeah.
for a JSON. So we will create it right now and see.
So I actually got it to work with the define below.
Uh-huh.
The trigger using the workflow.
Okay.
So I looked at the message that the output was generating.
Yes.
It was wrapped under a key called querying.
Uh-huh.
So in the define below, for the prompt that I used was the expression.
Yes.
I used the $JSON query
Yes.
to square brackets
Yes.
to access it. So I was able to communicate it.
You get it? That's great.
So
For this with the MCP, you used MCP or webhook? MCP. That's great. So it didn't work with her. We tried to do JSON also, but it's not. Yeah.
So that's what we found out.
It's not great, and you name it here.
I just used all the notes.
Oh, okay.
So if you take a look at the executions, you should be able to kind of see
The incoming
output, which kind of looks like this. If you change that JSON, it actually just looks like this.
No.
So long as you have that expression, they should be able to parse that.
Okay, and for the outputs, let's go back to the copy or no?
So yeah, it says this was the bogus document that I created, so they answered the BBC.
Great, that's what we're looking for there. No, that's great. So for the yeah.
now I'm like, I'll turn that to it, I think. Now, deactivated something else.
Okay, I see that. So if you want to, you have time, isn't
I
it?
think, tonight,
Yeah, but not now.
I mean, if you want to give it the last try.
Give me your email and
Okay.
then,
Sure.
and then we send it to you or inside the, what's called,
Sure.
our website.
Okay.
I will assist you for that. So this should be activated. Let's deactivate this way. Deactivated opening now. This is okay. Okay. So define below. Here expression. Choose JSON. Dot request query. Query is like that.
Yep, there was a space after the one, there was a point.
To the right? No, should be. No, great. Yeah, no need for this one. So, let's try it. Body.
Did you publish?
No, she tried to do what we have.
You go back to the, this is not the,
Yeah. Assistant, tools. This is, no.
Okay, this is.
This one.
Yeah. So, like, go here. Like, the URL.
Change it?
Oh, it's the main one. Oh, this is the web.
The web open, so this is, and the next, you want, this one? Copy it, direction line, go here.
And also, maybe change by now.
The name of workflow?
No, this is the two. This I did to other two. When I did this, well, I think I create two. I don't know why it went to somebody.
It's open. No, it's always open. Save it. Then it's open. Please call the tool and answer this question. What this company do? Can you use the tool to answer for the question of what this company do?
So we would just have one this way.
Yes.
So what's the link?
The AI agent.
But now the agent is working.
The agent is working. You just need one.
But maybe I'm not telling it. I don't know.
Use the tool.
Maybe it's good to look at the content. Maybe I'm not telling it to.
Oh, okay.
Supervising.
Yes. Mhm. Thank you. Good job. How can you use the tool and answer this question? What this company offer us as services? You can use the tool code. Authentication. Yeah, use it.
Wait, so it was a phone?
Yeah, prompts is a bit.
Okay.
What makes it with any?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you for it.
Thank you.
So, I just lost the last
the last task that we did.
Uh-huh.
But I got it there. Okay, so I can do this. I can do this in
Yes.
okay, yeah.
I
But
will
the
have to
other
use,
thing, it's work. The rag and the first three steps, it's work well. Was
Great.
problem was in the pedal.
Yeah. So everything when your site is working, especially the bilingual side,
Okay,
just give it on PDF.
okay.
And you mentioned it was a download.
Uh-huh.
And the PDF should be not include like images inside. It should be a text.
So
Instead,
we'll see you again here in sports.
maybe next Thursday or next. Yeah.
Sounds good. Thank you very much.
That's just all right. Well, maybe I'll find more right time so I can come back here and ask you for anything you want.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Welcome.
So why are you saying?
I say, just try to set up with a PDF. You can
Okay.
create it. The PDF, what you will do, go to ChatGPT or Gemini, create for me a dummy PDF for my business, my business focused on that, and fit everything. It will give you like a PDF with a text, so you can use it in
The right.
upload it, in the route. Then you can test it with a VAPI and everything.
Okay, so the concept here is just to what we need to do here is just to create an agent, all right, involve a voice agent.
Yeah.
And you in the n8n, you need to use Webhooks to connect with this agent, all right?
Correct.
And the call we do by the VAPI. VAPI.
VAPI.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the call of agent, we need to use the
VAPI. Yeah. So here is VAPI.
okay.
You can call it the VAPI with
Okay.
a phone if you link it.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah, or post it in the website so customers can type in directly if they want.
Cool.
But
By WhatsApp or
Yeah,
any
exactly,
UX, UI,
Exactly.
interface, natural interface.
Yes. Exactly. So you have the VAPI
Okay,
responsible to talk to your customers.
okay,
The VAPI can get information what your business are doing, some operation,
Yeah.
like sending email and everything.
VAPI, the main goal of VAPI is to develop a voice agent,
Voice
right?
agent.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Mhm.
And then the RAG agent is a way to retrieve data for your business.
Okay.
from inside.
And answer by voice.
Yeah, so the VAPI, when you understand that you need to use the book to retrieve some data from it, call the RAG system agent, the RAG system prepare another answer, then send it to VAPI. VAPI get this answer and explain it to you with logs. So the it works.
The classes are recording in the hobby.
Yes, it's recorded.
Perfect. I will see this last step.
I think I should do a video,
Okay.
last video, to do the process and create class agents and link it and upload it with the links and so like anyone can have access for it.
I forgot your name. What?
Care,
Karen.
and you,
Karen, where are you from?
Ajay,
Karen. Nice. I'm Pedro.
Pedro,
Pedro from Brazil.
from Brazil.
Yeah.
A lot of people, they say my accent looks like a Brazilian.
Yeah, it's why I invest you with all these guys. Brazilian, Pedro.
The accent, maybe my included French in my country, so can affect and
So, but
results like
how long time have you been here in set?
3 years.
2 years.
Yep.
So that's why your English is good now. I need to improve my English, bro. Oh,
How many years do you have?
I'm here for just for 4 weeks, but I stay here until December.
Wow,
December.
that's
Into
great.
December we will improve my.
So we'll see you again here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, of course. I will.
So prepare any
Stay.
question.
I'm living here in summer, so I will stay around.
Very close, yeah.
Yeah.
So if you have a question, a project, do you think about it? Just
Yeah.
prepare everything and then we will be here for you.
Cool.
We'll help for that. Thank you, bro. Stop share.
So, see ya. Bye bye.
See you. Bye-bye. Thank you.